Urhobo, and then now I'll teach you about fruits in Urhobo land. Egbekirai. Oesoswo otie in Urhobo is the equivalent of the English for citrus fruit. So you have orange, it's a citrus. You have tangerine, part of the citrus family. Is it citrus or citrus? I don't know. It's a citrus. You understand what I mean? It's on the screen. You have lemon, citrus. You have grape, all of them. So otie is the general name for all of the citrus family. Now, but there are some you still have to, there's a shift in it. Alright. Esoswo, otie gadava, African star apple. Otie ganga, lime. Otie osa, grape, all that hybrid between orange and lemon. Yes, you have grape. We call it grape. I don't know the name you call it. We call it otie osa. Then orange. Otie, that is the one we really call otie, but some other dialects have a variant of what they call that particular otie, but otie is the one we call orange itself. Orange is the main otie we have. And then tangerine is not a fruit that has been very, very much with us. So it still belongs to the otie family, but sometimes we call it otie tangerine. Mind you, I'm not an Urhobo linguist. I am an Urhobo native speaker, and I'm teaching you so that you can communicate with people who are speaking the Urhobo when you get home. Some linguists are actually doing an advanced work out there. So I'm not teaching you to become a professor of the Urhobo language. I think I've said this over and over again. So when I say otie tangerine, some people will say tangerine or Urhobo is English. But now I want you to understand that tangerine is the English word. Tangerine, we've already Urhobonized it. And Urhobo is not the only language that has borrowed. Even English has borrowed from I have never seen a show like English. In fact, everywhere they go, they always collect. You can, if you are a language enthusiast, you will understand what all of the. Even if you did good English language at the secondary level, you understand that a lot of words came from everywhere. That's why all our professors said that. You see, bending and taming the vagabond English language. I think Professor maybe Osakwe. That's there. Yes, I can still remember. So that is it. Let's do the proper naming now. Otie, citrus. Otie, that is orange itself. Otie gadava, African star apple. Otie gangai, lime. And some other people also call it otie akpaifi, lime. Otie oyibo, a lemon. Otie tangerine, tangerine. Otie osa, grape. That is the hybrid between lemon and orange, like I've mentioned already. Which other otie again do we have? All right. Now, still talking about fruits. We have oruru, wild grape. Yes, wild grape. You see oruru there on the screen. Wild grape. Odibo, banana. Can we say plantain is a fruit? But in case you want to say plantain is a fruit, plantain till I come your way again, you were on to Urhobo heritage. You may want to take a ras and I say, oh, get your more mash on it. Oh, what you good bolu Urhobo? The data state in Nigeria, Africa. Oh, Melena, oh, more trouble one of Urhobo land. See you in the next video.